finishing up pouring on a big thick poplar, rainbow poplar table. Just adding a little bit more epoxy to it. This one's like 2.5 thick. We're pouring all at once here. Some Wise Bond. Nick, what colors are in there?
We've got Vigilant Blue, liquid epoxy colorant. We've also used a little bit of Tiger's Eye, mica powder, and sapphire treasure mica powder.
Some river tables we poured on Friday. It's Monday now, so these will be ready to pop out soon here. This one's a 2.5 inch thick poplar. We poured it all at once. The Wise Bond epoxy. Some rainbow poplar. It's about a 12-foot long table, about 6 to 8 inches wide on the river, and it's 2.5 inches thick right now. Of course, we poured the river. It's a little bit lower than the wood. We're gonna send the whole thing through the wide belt sander and grind it down until it's all smooth, and then we'll spray it with a couple of coats of conversion varnish on all sides of it there. So you see when we dumped in the epoxy, it looked pretty plain, and now you get some amazing figure as that heat kicks off. We just brought in a rainbow poplar river table that we just got done finishing out in the spray booth. We poured this river table about a week ago. It's the rainbow poplar with some nice big heartwood there to it. Live edge on the outside. This was one slab, and when the tree fell, it shattered it apart because it was so big. So it's kind of a jagged edge in the center, which I think looks pretty cool. You got some jaggedness in there. And then we put it up on our steel powder coated bases, which just temporarily set it up there. But this will have a center beam that runs in the center, right through the center leg, and then connects down there. And that'll match the top. So this is rainbow poplar. And it's finished with a conversion varnish at our Sarasota, Florida sawmill.